Meet the car that Geely spent years perfecting just for the global market. This isn't just another Chinese ethos, it's the 2026 Geely EX5. It's been benchmarked against the Tesla Model 3 and the BYD Atto 3. But it's been tuned on European roads to feel exactly how you want a modern SUV to feel. It's smarter, safer, and for 2026, it's just received a major software and battery boost. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're looking at the electric SUV that's currently taking over the world one continent at a time. The core of the EX5 is the Aegis Short Blade battery. This isn't your standard LFP pack. It's designed to be virtually indestructible, passing nail penetration tests that would cause other batteries to fail. For 2026, Geely has introduced a long-range 68.4 kilowatt-hours variant, pushing its WLTP range beyond the 270-mile mark. Powered by an 11-in-1 intelligent drive motor, produces 215 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. That gets you from 0 to 60 in a punchy 6.9 seconds. And thanks to its improved charging curve, you can juice up from 30% to 80% in just 20 minutes. Inside, the EX5 feels like a tech startup on wheels. The cabin is dominated by a massive 15.4-inch 2.5K infotainment screen running the Flyme Auto OS. It's buttery smooth, powered by a high-end automotive chip, and finally supports full wireless smartphone mirroring globally. But the real party trick? The Flyme sound system. It features 16 speakers, including dedicated units in the driver and passenger headrests, creating a 3D audio bubble that allows you to hear navigation instructions without interrupting everyone else's music. It's a level of thoughtful design we rarely see at this price. Space efficiency is where the EX5 wins. Because of its cell-to-body construction, the floor is perfectly flat and lower than most rivals. Geely claims a 67% space utilization rate, giving you more legroom than a Kia EV6 in a shorter overall package. The front seats even fold completely flat, turning the cabin into a mobile lounge or a camping bed. Combined with Level 2 plus a DAS and a chassis that's been retuned for 2026 to be even more composed over potholes. This is a seriously refined family hauler. The 2026 Geely EX5 is proof that you don't have to pay Tesla prices to get Tesla-level tech. It's the most complete package Geely has ever shipped overseas. Is this the EV that finally makes you switch? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the future.